Zig for Manic here at Sumatra Development, showing you our holiday insertion commandlet so that you can insert holidays server-side on Exchange for all your users. We're doing this for one user right now, Jimi Hendrix. He doesn't have much in his calendar right now, but he does have this that he's already put in. And we're just going to run the script. We're going through setting credentials right now. Of course, if you're doing this with a group of users, you set them once and then you're fine. Right? So in they go. And there's his holidays. New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, President's Day. Now, another thing you can do is you can establish a holiday that isn't busy. So you could have something for information, April Fool's Day, no pranks, versus President's Day, which is clearly booked out, nobody's available that time. You can also have specific meetings. So here we have a mandatory all hands meeting that we've inserted for 3 hours. Okay, we can have these float on time zones so that you could set up Memorial Day in the United States and it would go in each individual user's time zone, or you can nail it to a specific time zone. So for instance, if the mandatory all hands meeting were the annual corporate meeting that takes place at noon in New York, you can set that. All right. Now, one other interesting thing about this is that if you make a mistake, you want to be able to undo. So we're just going to remove them, leaving everything else there. And it'll ask me for my credentials again. Keep an eye on Memorial Day. We're not cutting away, but we might have to because it might need to refresh. Let's see, if we go to April Fool's Day, there we go. Just a little bit of lag time, and they're all gone. But the appointment that Jimmy had is at the beginning is still there. Okay, so you can make mistakes and correct them. That's it in a nutshell. We'll do a few more videos showing you how to set up the text file for this. It's actually a CSV and some of the options you've got. Many thanks.